Welcome to this moment. This is your time to relax, to breathe, to connect. Sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly. Let your body become still. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out gently and let go. You are here. You are safe. You are supported. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air moving in. Feel the air moving out. No need to change it. Just notice. Now feel your body. Notice your feet, your legs, your back. Notice the stillness. Let your breath carry you deeper. Breathe in calm. Breathe out tension and let go. Now gently bring your focus to the base of your spine. This is your root, your foundation. Here lies a quiet energy, your Kundalini energy, Kundalini Shakti. She is your inner power, your life force. She is sleeping now, peaceful and still. Breathe in softly. Breathe out softly. Let her know it is safe to rise. Now imagine a warm light at the base of your spine. Soft, glowing, and alive. With each breath, feel the light grow stronger and stronger. It does not need to move quickly. It simply awakens. It listens. It flows. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let go. You are ready. Now imagine this warm light slowly moving up from the base of your spine to your lower belly, to your stomach, to your heart. With each breath, feel it rise gently. With each breath, feel yourself open. You are awakening. You are healing. You are held. Breathe in love. Breathe out fear and let go. Now bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the air. Feel the body. Feel the stillness inside. Your Kundalini Shakti is alive. She is gentle. She is powerful. She is always with you. Breathe in. Breathe out. You are whole. You are light. You are free. Let it go and rise.